There are over 75 species of hydrangea. 6 major ones are grown in American gardens: bigleaf, smooth, panicle, oakleaf, climbing and mountain. Each one requires a different type of soil, sunlight and blooming time.
This is Quickfire. It's a panicle hydrangea with its cone-shaped flowers. It also has a clematis growing in with it. I think the combination of those two colours is quite pretty.
Hydrangeas were first cultivated in Japan. They were introduced to Europe around 1736.
This is Annabelle. It's a smooth hydrangea with its globe-shaped flowers, or mop head as they're called. And this type of hydrangea can grow on old wood, which means that it can be cut back. And indeed, I cut this thing back all the way to the ground at the end of the season. This particular hydrangea is, I don't know how old it is. It's been here longer than we've been in the house, which is 21 years now.
Hydrangeas don't have petals, but rather they have sepals, which are the leaves that protect the flower bud. Only after they age do they turn from green to the pigmented colours that you can see. The sepals of a hydrangea can absorb water, unlike petals, so spraying the hydrangea is actually a good source of hydration. Each colour has a different meaning. Blue is associated with apology and gratitude, purple with pride and royalty and understanding, white with vanity, purity and grace, pink with romance, true feelings and sincere emotions. The colours of hydrangeas are determined by the soil conditions. The ideal pH for each shade are as follows: blue below 5.5, purple between 5.5 and 6.5, white between 6 and 6.2, and pink over 7. By varying the pH of your soil, you can change the colour of a hydrangea.
This is a climbing hydrangea, Anomalia petilaris. They are slow to grow at first, but become very vigorous after a couple of years. This particular plant has been in this spot for 4 years, and as you can see, it is quite vigorous now.
Climbing hydrangeas should be planted in rich, well-drained soil. Amend the soil with compost or well-rotted manure before planting. East-facing walls or fences with morning sun and afternoon shade are ideal. Prune to control the size and shape of the vine and remove any dead or damaged stems. Plant in the spring or fall, and young plants need frequent watering until established. Mature plants need consistent moisture, especially during hot weather. Climbing hydrangeas are deciduous, meaning they lose their leaves in the fall, revealing textured bark and providing winter interest. Climbing hydrangeas bloom on old wood, so prune after flowering in the summer and remove spent flower heads after they fade. Climbing hydrangeas use aerial roots to attach to surfaces. While they can cling to surfaces, using a trellis or other support can help manage their growth and prevent potential damage to structures. Avoid metal or vinyl supports, as they can be too slippery.
This is Little Quickfire. It's smaller and more compact than its larger cousin Quickfire. It's a panicle, and its flowers can change from white to pink to red.
Hydrangeas contain low levels of cyanide, and if eaten, it's enough to actually cause sickness or even seizures in both humans and pets. Their name has a Greek origin from hydor, meaning water, and angos, meaning jar or vessel, emphasizing the need to water this particular flower often. As our hydrangeas come into bloom, so too are our phlox. Also, our daylilies are starting to bloom, along with our coneflowers and Shasta daisies. and this summer has seen a couple of unexpected visitors. We watched this frog on our pond camera, hopping across the bridge of our pond in the night. And then one morning we saw the dreaded great blue heron strolling around our pond. This guy would eat our fish if he could reach them. If you've enjoyed this video, why not subscribe for more content just like it? Thanks for watching. Bye.